Hi, you're welcome to my channel. So I'm going to show you how to use Google Sheets. So I'm going to come to Firefox. It's what I use, but you can use any search engine, Google, Chrome. Yeah, so Firefox, I'll come here and search for Google Drive. Google Drive. There. So it is here. Then I tap on this link, then they'll take me to the Google Drive. So I tap on go to Drive. Since my email is already logged in the PC, it means that I'll just log in. So I tap on there. So how do you use Google Drive to keep data? It works like Excel. So you come here, you tap on new. So you come here down and then you tap on Google Sheets. That is it. Then this is how it is. This is how it is. So it's something like an Excel. Yeah, let me say you want to maybe record the expenses of the company. So tap here and then write company expenses. Then maybe you write the date, then the expense, then the amount. So that is it. So in case you want to filter, you highlight, you tap on that, then you come here, the filter thing is here, that. So it will bring filters on your work. So maybe the date 1st February 2024, like that. What was the expense? Let's say food. How much was it? Let's say it was 4M. Then on 2nd Feb 2024, what was the expense? Let's say newspapers. How much was it? Maybe it was 50,000. 50,000. So I think we should also put here a column for the total. The total. So you come here and put in the formula. You press equals. So the first total will just be this. And then you tap on enter. Then it will be 500. No, sorry, 4 million. Then the second one, it will be equals. Then it will be the previous total plus this. Then you tap on enter. It will be 4M 50,000. Then maybe on 3rd February 2024, there was an expense of electricity. How much was it? Maybe 1M. So how do you get the total? you just tap on this one and then you drop down from here, so the total will bring itself. It is 5M 50,000, like that. So it works more like an Excel, but it's the better version or the advanced version of an Excel. Then for Google Sheets, you do not need a shared drive, because most people use shared drives when it comes to Excel. So here you do not need a shared drive. In case you want someone to access this same information, you come here and then tap on share. So I am the maker, but I'm going to first name it. Name the sheet or the document company expenses. Then I save it. Yeah, then I am the owner, so I am allowed to share with people, so that people can be able to access this same sheet and maybe make changes in case you want someone else to be updating the expenses. So I come here, maybe this one, I want this person to be editing this Excel, so this person will be accessing this information. So I can share with it with the people that I want to access the information, maybe my manager, the MD, things like that. So this person, I can choose what will this person be, an editor, a commenter, or a viewer. So if I tap on the editor, meaning that they can make changes on this sheet. If I tap on commenter, meaning they'll just comment. If I tap on view, meaning they're only going to view but do nothing on the sheet, but they're going to access the sheet. So maybe I want this person to be the editor. Then notify someone. Yeah, in case you're doing like official work, you have to notify someone so that they can get to know that you've given them access. But then on this one, I'm just trying, so I don't want this person to know. So I tap on here, do not notify the person. Then I tap on share. So this person has access to this file that I've uploaded. Then if I want to remove them, I'll still come there, and then this person, I'll remove the access. Remove access. So it will, I save, so it will only be me to access this. So these are Google Sheets. They are the advanced version of an Excel, and they are so good. You can be able to share access with anyone. Yeah, and everything, like in case you need to edit, they are all here: file, insert, formatting, data, and all that. So that is it, and that is how we use Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends. Let's catch up in my next video.